The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 45. Mahāmati once more asked the Buddha, according to the Bhagavan, everything is non-arising and illusory. But when he says what is non-arising is illusory, is there not a contradiction in the Bhagavan's earlier and later statements? The Buddha told Mahāmati, it is not true that when I say what is non-arising is illusory, there is a contradiction in my earlier and later statements. And why not? Because what arises does not arise. When you realize that whether something exists or not is nothing but the perception of your own mind, its external existence is seen as non-existent and non-arising. Mahāmati, there is no contradiction in my earlier and later statements. However, it is to refute the arising from causes of other schools that I say everything is non-arising. Mahāmati, the confused members of other schools maintain the arising of existence or non-existence and deny that they are the result of attachment to their own projections. Mahāmati, because I deny the arising of existence or non-existence, I teach the teaching of non-arising. Mahāmati, I teach existence to refute the nihilistic view that nothing exists, and so that my disciples will accept samsara, so that they will accept that where they are reborn involves differences in karma. Thus I teach existence so that they will accept samsara. Mahāmati, I teach the illusoriness of self-existence, so that they will get free of self-existence. But due to erroneous views and hopes, foolish people are unaware that these are nothing but the perceptions of their own minds. To refute arising from causes and attachment to the self-existence of conditions, and to prevent foolish people from clinging to erroneous views and hopes regarding what belongs to themselves and others, and from creating mistaken doctrines about how to see things as they really are, I teach that the self-existence of everything is an illusion and a dream. Mahāmati, to see things as they really are means to transcend what are nothing but perceptions of your own mind. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. Non-arising means non-existence. Existence includes samsara. Who sees these as illusions doesn't give rise to projections of form.